In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Convertkit branding. First, let's open your web browser and head to the Convertkit website. It doesn't matter which browser you prefer. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, simply type convertkit.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to register. Just follow the prompts, entering the necessary details, and you'll be able to log in once the registration is complete. Now that you're logged in, it's time to focus on removing the branding from your forms or landing pages. First, navigate to the specific form or landing page you'd like to edit. This can typically be found in your dashboard under Landing Pages and Forms. Take your time to select the correct one. Accuracy here ensures you're working on the right element. After locating your desired form or landing page, click on the element you want to edit. Look towards the right side of your screen and you'll find two important sections: General Styles, and beneath that, Powered by Kit. Here's where the magic happens. To proceed, you'll need to untick the box labeled Show Build with Kit badge. Doing this will ensure that the small badge, which often appears as a part of the form, is no longer visible to those interacting with it. It's a simple step, but it makes all the difference in maintaining your unique branding without the additional Convertkit acknowledgement. Next, let's take care of the Show Powered by link. This is another small checkbox that you'll find adjacent to the first. By unchecking this, you effectively remove any additional Convertkit branding embedded within your form or landing page. This step is crucial if you wish to maintain a streamlined, professional look across your online content. And that's it! With these straightforward steps, you've successfully removed the Convertkit branding from your forms and landing pages. No more unintended distractions. Now your visitors will focus solely on your content. Keep in mind that these changes are effective immediately, so you don't need to worry about additional saving steps. Just refresh your page and enjoy your branding free from any extraneous links or badges. I hope this guide was helpful in achieving a cleaner aesthetic for your Convertkit elements. Remember, customizing your content doesn't have to be complicated. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Seeing your branding front and center on every piece of content is empowering. And with these small tweaks,